Hey guys, today's the first episode of Learn English with Cooking. Today, we'll be making brownies! Today's key words are pour, stir, and spread. Listen to how we use those keywords throughout the video.
Okay.
First, we're going to be using the Ghirardelli triple fudge brownie mix to make brownies today. 美味しそう. First, we have to preheat the oven to 325 degrees Fahrenheit. Next, we pour olive oil and spread it around the pan so that the brownie won't stick. We are spreading out the olive oil. We are spreading out the olive oil.
We are going to stir the ingredients together to make the brownie batter. First, pour a quarter cup of water into the bowl. Second, pour a quarter cup of olive oil into the bowl. Crack one egg into the bowl. Stir it together. Next, pour the brownie mix and stir together. Keep stirring until the mixture thickens up, like this. Make sure to pour all the brownie mix into the bowl and stir it all together. Then, pour in the fudge packet and continue to stir it together. Looks yummy already. Next, pour the mix into the pan. Spread it out evenly. Next, put the pan in the oven. Let it bake for 45 minutes. I can't wait till it's done! Once it's done, take it out and let it cool for 30 minutes. Yum! It looks so good! Once it's done, you can cut it into pieces. You can decorate it with whipped cream.
Pour a quarter cup of olive oil into the bowl. Pour a quarter cup of olive oil into the bowl. Stir it together. Stir it together. Spread it out evenly. Spread it out evenly.
Thank you for watching. See you next time.